Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to create a COGO curve from a single tangent line in MicroSurvey CAD. To get started, go up to the top and click MSCOGO. Move down a little bit and then click Curve off one tangent. Now click the end of the tangent line in question. MSCAD now asks for a radius, positive for clockwise and negative for counterclockwise. I want it to curve down this way, so I'm going to type -10 and hit enter. Next, like all COGO curves, we have to calculate its length. Don't confuse this tangent for the tangent line. For more information on all of this, check out the COGO curves video. For today, I'm just going to choose delta angle by typing D and hitting enter. Now I just have to enter my desired change in angle, which I'll keep simple and type 90. Now I got a 90-degree arc and 2 new points to define it. To review, all you have to do is click the end of the tangent line, enter the radius, define the length calculation, and then specify that length. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.